In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 4-column grid in Figma, good for mobile UI. A 4-column grid is a simple, reliable foundation for mobile design. It helps you align cards, buttons, and text blocks, keep spacing consistent, and speed up decisions as you build screens. We'll set this up directly on a frame so the grid stays tied to your design and scales cleanly as you iterate. First, open your Figma design file. Make sure you're looking at the frame where you want the grid to live. Layout grids apply to frames, so if you don't see the options I mentioned, double check that a frame, not a group or individual layer, is selected. With your frame selected, move to the right-hand sidebar and find the layout grid section. If you don't see it, you're probably not on a frame yet. Click the plus icon to add a layout grid. Figma will add a default grid overlay, which is usually a square grid. That's fine, we're about to switch it. Open the Layout Grids drop-down and choose Columns. This changes the grid type from a uniform square grid to vertical columns, which is what most mobile layouts use for content structure and responsive thinking. Now click on Columns to reveal its settings. You'll see controls for things like count, gutter, and margins. These settings define how many columns you have, how much space is between them, and how the grid sits within the frame. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the column count. Change the count to 4 and press Enter. Instantly, your frame will show a 4-column overlay. This is the backbone of many mobile layouts because it's flexible enough for 1, and 2, and 4 up content patterns while staying straightforward to use. If your overlay color is distracting, you can lower its opacity in the same panel so it's there when you need it but doesn't get in the way of your design work. A quick tip while you design: try snapping elements to the column edges and keep related items aligned to the same columns across screens. This creates a consistent rhythm that feels intentional to users. You can toggle the grid visibility on and off with the little eye icon in the Layout Grid section whenever you need a clearer view of your artwork. And that's all you need to set up a clean 4-column grid for mobile in Figma. Open your file, select the frame, add a layout grid, switch it to columns, and set the count to 4. With that in place, you've got a solid, repeatable structure that makes mobile UI design faster, cleaner, and easier to maintain.